Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay, Sydney.
That's kind of
Go
far.
get the Rubik's Cube. That's the point.
Maybe not so far. I think she gets nervous and then gives up.
Yeah, let's try it again. Here we go. Let's try this from this distance.
Go, Sydney, go.
Go, Sydney,
You can
go.
do it.
Go,
You can
Sydney,
do
go.
it,
The Rubik's
Sydney.
Cube. Go get it.
How does that feel? Ooh, did she just bonk her head?
No.
Oh, good.
Now solve the Rubik's Cube.
Now, solve it. She's well, that's easy.
Left, right, inverse. Left, inverse. Up, right, inverse. Come over here. Get over here.
Asia, can you move back, Swoopy? Oh, I want to see this. Oh, she'll... Ooh, that was good.
Good job. You gonna put it back over here now?
Hey, girls, move back, please.
Yeah, look at that. Up over here.
Asia, can you move back, please, again?
Here's a big one. Whoa! Good job. You deserve it.
She loves the Rubik's Cube. She'll do anything for Rubik's Cube.
She'll hide it. She'll play
Focus.
with it.
Focus.
She'll even hide it.
Focus.
She'll even hide it. Let's just try it anywhere.
Put it over there. We can do this, kid. Asia, excuse me. Against the minute, see?
And there she's getting transported over Big JJ.
Okay.
Sydney, here, let's... Oh. Sydney, you gonna go for it again?
Wait, let her walk.
Let's see if she'll do it. Sydney, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Wow, that was awesome, and that's on video.
She went
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six steps?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
6.
Wow. Sydney! Yay! Sydney! Let's all clap for Sydney! Yay! Sydney! Okay, it's getting blurry. I better... Sydney, you want to clap? Sydney!
Daddy?
Yeah, she's fine too. You can let it go.
Her voice.
Yeah.
Sydney, go!
After
Yay, go get it!
you.
Go get it! Go get it! Asia, leave it there and get out of the way so she can see it. Little help from sister. Okay. Well, that was fun. Say bye-bye, Sydney.
No!
Put it on that one.
Sydney,
Bye-bye.
say bye, Sydney.
No more!